Not every fight is your fight. Hi! Ndewonu Igbo ndị ọma mụrụ m. Ọ bụ nwanne unu nwanyị, Adaukwu. My name is Adaukwu. You know, today is Saturday, and every Saturday we bring what we call Proverbs. You know what Proverbs is? Proverbs is Ilu in Igbo language. And every Saturday we bring it just to have fun, not every time learn. Although we still end up learning, you still end up knowing what a meaning of a particular proverb is. Today we are going to bring a particular proverb. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. Welcome back. In today's Proverbs, what we are bringing is a proverb that we all know, but we might not really know what it means in Igbo or even in English. Yes. So we are going to say the proverbs and what it means in Igbo language. What is that proverbs all about? Have you seen where two powerful people fight and the innocent ones suffer it? We say in English that when two elephants fight, the grass suffers. In Igbo, we say, mgbe enyi abụọ na-alụ ọgụ, ahịhịa na-ata ahụhụ. This proverb in any way does not concern the elephant. N'ụzọ ọbụla, ilulu a agbasataghị enyi. Ihe ilulu a na-agbalị ịkọwatara anyị bụ na mgbe ndị dị ike abụọ nọ n'ọgụ, ọ bụ ndị na-adịghị ike bụ ndị na-ata ahụhụ ya. It's just as simple as that. When two powerful people are fighting, it is the innocent, the people that don't have power, that suffer it a lot. For example, when a parent and a child are fighting, who suffers? It is the child, because the parent is more powerful than the child. Mgbe nna na nwa na-alụ ọgụ, onye na-ata ahụhụ ya bụ nwa, n'ihi na nna ka nwa ike. It's as simple as that. When both parents are always fighting, it is the children that suffer it the most. Yes. Mgbe nne na nna na-alụkarị ọgụ, ọ bụ ụmụ bụ ndị na-ata ahụhụ ya. N'ihi nke a, because of this, let us be wise. Choose your fight. Ọ bụghị ọgụ niile bụ ọgụ gị. So, when two elephants are fighting, you do not want to be the grass. Mgbe enyi abụọ na-alụ ọgụ, ị gaghị achọ ịbụ ahịhịa, n'ihi ị ga-atagbu onwe gị n'ahụhụ. N'ihi nke ahụ, mara ihe, were ọgụgụ isi gị mere ihe. Here brings us to the end of our lesson for today, and thank you for tuning in. Till next time, bye.